I made 400 YouTube videos without ever showing my face, and some of my other channels that I still have to this day are faceless YouTube channels. So I wanted to make this video to show you some ideas for faceless YouTube videos. I know a lot of people are hesitant with showing their face on YouTube, but they still have something to share and they want to make a YouTube channel, and that's a great starting point. So I started faceless, but eventually I started showing my face on those channels, and a couple of them remain faceless to this day. Another thing I should say is I think it is easier to grow if you show your face, because YouTube is kind of a platform where people want to build a connection with someone, but some of the biggest YouTube channels are actually faceless and run like a business. So if that's something you want to pursue, I think it's very possible, and I'm gonna show you 3 examples that I think will help you figure out how to make a faceless YouTube channel. Now, the first and the easiest way to make a faceless YouTube channels is by creating helpful or tutorial-based content, which is my biggest YouTube channel, exactly what I do there. And a couple of ways you could do it. You could actually record your computer screen. So I used a couple of different softwares that I'll link below that I actually use to record my computer screen. And you could even edit the videos within those softwares. And that makes it really, really easy for you to create and edit and produce and upload videos that are completely faceless. They do require your voice though, so I recommend buying a mic. I have one over there, I'm using one here, so I'll put again some resources in the description for inexpensive mics. I think I started with a $100 mic when I first started, maybe 400 or 500 videos using that microphone before I upgraded my microphone. And that's a great way. It's just you need a software that will help you with recording and editing, and then you just need a microphone and a computer basically, and that's your whole YouTube channel. And you could also do screen recordings on your phone as well. So I do a ton of tutorials like that are faceless that just require a phone. Again, I record on the phone, I use the editing software to edit those, and then I use a microphone again in the editing to get good quality voiceover, because with tutorial-based content, voice is very critical. But that is one of the biggest type of channels that I've seen monetized on YouTube. Tutorial-based faceless videos, right? One of my biggest channel that has 100 million views does exactly that. And I started showing my face, but I really don't think I have to even, but I'm trying to brand it a little bit more around my personality. But I started 400 or 500 videos without ever doing that. The second type of faceless videos you could make is these type of animation videos without really having any animation skills, because there are platforms online that help you animate videos, and these are called explainer videos. So again, you need a decent quality microphone, you need to write a script about something that you want to explain, but you never have to show your face. You could basically use this whiteboard type animations, and again, I'll put a link to one. And I created an entire channel where I basically did book reviews. So I would read a book, I would summarize the book in like 5 minutes, then I would write the script, and then I would record my voiceover, and then use the animation, the whiteboard animation platform, to basically animate it. Now, it was growing pretty fast. The problem with that type of channel was it just took too long to read a book, summarize the book, and write the script. But I've seen plenty of channels that do far less than that using this technique and grow to a substantial amount. I've seen several channels with millions of subscribers using this whiteboard animation technique and never show their face on a single video. Now, the third type of video that could use your voice or not use your voice, but is still completely faceless, is these type of videos where you shoot overhead to do an unboxing or tech review or makeup review. All kinds of different categories could be done like this. Let me show you. I have a camera set up here. And these type of videos, basically I have a camera pointing down, and then I could do an unboxing, right? So I got this, I do an unboxing, I talk about it, I show you how to set it up. You know, I get this out of the box and I talk about it. But you don't have to talk about it. I've seen successful channels where there is no voice, there is no face, and it's just a straight unboxing of a product, right? I do this with phone tutorials too, or comparing different phones. So you could talk through these again with that mic I mentioned before. So you just, for this one, you do need a camera, because you can't just do this with a screen capture or an animation software. But I simply have a camera pointed down. I have a lens, a camera, and a decent microphone where I'm talking. And you never have to cut to this camera, right? So it could just be the overhead camera pointing down, and that's it. That's a whole faceless channel. And again, I've seen this in 100 different things. I've seen people do ASMR, for example, is a way they do this with this kind of top down where they're touching a product and you just hear the noise of the product. You don't even hear the person talking. But the most successful ones are unboxing and things that are showing a product, because then you could have an affiliate link to the product you're unboxing and it improves how much money you could make on YouTube. But those are the 3 most popular ideas and ones I've personally done myself through the last 5 years of making YouTube videos that I think could be pretty successful for you as well. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.